Alright, it's Green Hill Gardens. Just at the latest project. Just finished everything up here. So give you guys a quick look at everything. Cleaned the driveway, cleaned all the cracks, cleaned all the weeds. We did a little trimming on the shrubs here. So now it's not on the neighbor's lawn no more. And that's how we do here at Green Hill. Like I said, we don't play no games. We're blowing on some heavy smoke day in, day out. And then I'll show you the other side over here. Nice and clean. Like I said, we trimmed everything up, took out all the weeds. Shrubs are looking beautiful. Took out a lot of the dead spots. Also with this little tree here, we took out a lot of the dead branches and cleaned again, like I said, all the weeds. Trimmed up this tree a little bit. And finally we did a little trimming on this tree. And there you go. Green Hill Gardens. Another successful job. And this is what we do. We're turning dreams into reality.